Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore default button settings on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So what I like to do first is open up the iCUE, which is the app for our M65. We're going to click on the mouse here and go to Key Assignments. Now, as you guys can see, if you changed anything, I changed my DPI up and down to open Windows+R for an example. But you can also add something else like mouse. For example, we can remap the buttons. So the forward button will be our back button, for example. We can also do the forward button as a left double click. And now we can test it out. It worked because we just, as you guys can see, I can double tap the folder and the folder now opens up. So I can do that again. As you guys can see, I'm pressing this button and it opens up the folder. Now if I one click this, it won't open, so that's how we know that it works. But what are we interested in is basically removing it. So what I like to do is I like to just click on the three dots right here, click on delete, and as you guys can see, now once I delete everything, I will click on a folder again, and now it does not open. So the folder will not open. It's right here, but it won't open. And as you guys can see, now I double clicked by myself, it opened. So basically we just got rid of every single key assignment, we got rid of everything, and we basically restored our default button settings. So that's how you guys can do this. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.